My take on Texas Roadhouse Steak Seasoning. Texas Roadhouse Steak Seasoning. It sounds like a perfect blend of spices to elevate the flavor of any steak. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons coarse kosher salt, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Please share this recipe and click the links below to support the channel. I do earn commissions for products sold. Instructions: 1. Prepare the seasoning mix. Combine all the ingredients in a Ziploc bag or a bowl. 2. Mix the ingredients. Seal the bag tightly and shake vigorously to ensure even blending of spices. 3. Season the steak. Apply the seasoning mix generously to all sides of the steak and let it sit for about 40 minutes to allow flavors to penetrate. 4. Grill to perfection. Preheat the grill to a high temperature and cook the steak for 4 or 5 minutes on each side for medium rare. Adjust cooking time according to desired doneness. 5. Serve and enjoy. Remove the steak from the grill and serve immediately to savor the rich and flavorful experience. Enjoy your perfectly seasoned Texas-style steak. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel.